Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Get Ready With Me video. But this time we're going to discuss the Walgreens beauty event breakdowns starting March 5th to March 7th. So we have this great beauty event going on for spend 25, get 7,000 points. Now I did receive the digital version of that coupon, but the flyer coupon is actually really hard to get to this time. And hopefully you checked out Michelle, My Own Identity's video, because she did discuss what changes are going on. So now we're going to get a beauty bag that has the coupon in it, but we don't know how they're going to act with that coupon. So usually the flyer is at a beauty consultant store on the table, and you have access to it, and you can pick it up, and you can pick up as many as you want. This time around is going to be hard. Now, I do have a screenshot of the spend 25, get 7,000 points. Now, the store that I go to, they do accept the screenshot, but the last beauty event, they actually did not want to accept the screenshot. So hopefully they do. But if they don't, I do have the breakdown showing if you get back 7,000 points or if you get back 14,000 points. Because remember, the digital coupon does stack with the flyer coupon. So for the first deal, I have basically everything here. And I have 4 different deals for you guys. So for the first deal, we're going to pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive for $8, 2 of the Whole Blends for $7, 2 of the Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. We're going to pick up the Vaseline lotion. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up one of them at $4.49. And you're going to pick up another one at $2.24. Then we're going to pick up a Wet n Wild brow brush for $1.19. So the total before coupons for that is going to be $29.92. So when we're using the spend 25, get 7,000 points, it's going to be $25 before coupons and after Walgreens booklet coupons or percent off coupons or purchase-based coupons like a 9 off of 50 or something along those lines, a $9 off something. So we have 2 coupons in the IBC booklet. We have the Garnier coupon, so it's $2 that is going to take off for the Garnier and $2 that is going to take off for the Whole Blend. So when you go to scan that IBC booklet, you only have to scan it once and it'll come off of both products. So $2 off for the Garnier IBC booklet coupon and $2 for the Whole Blends. That leaves us at $25.92. So we met the requirements of $25 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. Now, as far as manufacturer's coupons, we're going to use a 4 for 2 L'Oreal Elvive from our 3-1 RMN. A $4 off 2 for Whole Blends in our 3-1 RMN. A $3 off 2 for Garnier Fructis in our 3-1 RMN. 2 $2 off 1 coupons for the Vaseline lotion in our 223 RMN. You're going to roll 2 $5 register rewards into this, making the total 92 cents out of pocket, right? So you have to pay that cash out of pocket. But you're going to get back 7,000 points, making this free plus a 608 moneymaker. So if you only get back 7,000 points, let's say you have the digital coupon only, or let's say you have the flyer only, and you only get back 7,000 points, it's still going to be a moneymaker of 608. Now, if you have the flyer and the digital coupon in the app, you get back 14,000 points. It makes it free plus a 308 moneymaker. So either or, you're still winning, so it's going to be a moneymaker. Now, for the second deal, I have the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. So they're spend 15, get a $5 register reward, and they're also buy 2, get 1 free. Also, when you buy Revlon this week, this $8 Catalina is printing out for everyone and is a manufacturer's coupon. So you can use this on your next purchase of Revlon or Almay. So if you pick up, as you guys saw in my last video, my first Walgreens haul for the week, I did pick up the Kiss Bomb for $5.99 and this printed out with no issues. Now you can use the coupon on a Revlon item and you'll get another one back from the Catalina machine. So $8 off. So you're going to pick up 2 of the Revlon Super Lustrous for $8.79 and then you're going to get 1 for free. We're going to pick up 2 of the Jergens. The Jergens this week is buy one, get one 50% off. So we're going to pick up the 10-ounce bottles. And they're also buy 2, get 2,000 points. So you're going to pick up one of them for $4.99. And you're going to pick up another one half off for $2.49. So our total before coupons is going to be $25.06. We do not have any Walgreens coupons, so we met the requirements of $25 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So into this transaction, we're going to roll 2 of the $8 Catalina manufacturer coupons for Revlon and Almay. So we're going to use 2 of these. You can definitely use 2 of these, right? Making the total $9.06. Then we're going to roll in a $5 register reward as well as a $4 register reward. So hopefully you guys did check out my Walgreens haul because I'm showing you guys how to obtain some register rewards. And then we did end last week with a whole bunch of register rewards. So you roll in a 5 and a 4. Now make sure if you already did this deal, right, and you already got a $5 register reward for it, that you don't roll it into the same transaction because you will not get another $5 register reward. So I suggest if you guys did the Olay deal or the Old Spice deal this week, and I did show you an example of the one that I picked up, I say roll that into it, and then the $4 register reward, you can roll the $4 from the Colgate deal. So your total out of pocket is going to be 6 cents, right? And let's say you're only getting back the 7,000 points, so you only have the digital coupon or the flyer coupon. You get back that $8 register reward coupon. That $8 Revlon Catalina manufacturer coupon. So you're going to get this back, right? Then you're going to get back a $5 register reward for spending $15. And you get back a $5 register reward. You're going to get back 7,000 points for the perk or the digital coupon. And you're going to get back 2,000 points for the Jergens deal, which is buy 2, get 2,000 points. So you're going to end with that $8 Catalina Revlon coupon plus $14 in points and register rewards. And we only paid 6 cents out of pocket. Now, this is before tax. So it's definitely going to be a moneymaker there. Now, let's say you're getting back the 14,000 points, right? So let's say they accept the digital coupon as well as the flyer coupon. It's going to be $8 you get back for the Catalina Revlon. So this once again, right? And you get back a total of $21 in points and register rewards because you're going to get back the 2,000 points for the Jergens and you're going to get back that $5 register reward for the Revlon. Now for the second deal, the third deal, we are again going to pick up this Revlon Super Illustrious Lipstick, right? So again, they're spend $15, get a $5 register reward, and they're buy 2, get 1 free. So we're going to pick up 2 of them for $8.79. Now at my store, they're $8.79. At your store, they might be $8.49 or $9.99. So adjust your math accordingly to what your store has. So these are $8.79 at my store, and 1 of them will be free. Then you're going to pick up the Vaseline lotion 10 ounce. They're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you're going to pick up 1 of them for $4.49. And you're going to pick up a second one for $2.24. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Wet n Wild brow brushes for $1.19. Making our total before coupons $25.50. We're going to roll 2 of the $8 Revlon Catalina coupons. So if you guys have points, right? If you guys have points, change those points into register rewards. So I suggest, as I did in my video today, I suggest that you guys do maybe a Revlon Kiss Bomb, roll points into that, and then this will spit out of the Catalina machine. So that's a scenario you can do to get these, and you can use 2 of them in a transaction. So we're going to use 2 of those coupons. We're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons for Vaseline in our 223 RMN. So our total would be $5.50 after all manufacturer coupons, but we're going to roll in a $5 register reward. Again, the $5 register reward, let's say you did deal number 2 and you got back that $5 register reward for the Revlon for spending $15, get 5. Do not use it in this deal because you're not going to get another $5 register reward. So I suggest you use the $5 register reward that maybe you got last week from Revlon. You can definitely do that, right? or the Olay deal that's going on right now, as well as the Old Spice, which is buy two, get a $5 register reward. So after the $5 in register rewards, it leaves us to pay 50 cents out of pocket, right? And this is not including tax, right? And we're gonna get back, so if you only have 7,000 points, again, the digital or the flyer coupon, you get back an $8 Revlon coupon again from the Catalina machine. So you get one of these back again, right? You get back a $5 register reward for the Revlon for spending $15. And you get back 7,000 points for the beauty perk. So you get back $8 in coupons and $12 in points and register rewards. Now, let's say you were to do scenario number 2 and scenario number 3. I suggest those two $5 register rewards that you get back, you can definitely put into scenario number 1, which is right here, because we're using two $5 register rewards. So basically doing scenario number 2 and scenario number 3, if you have the coupons to cover them, I say roll those register rewards into this transaction that I discussed first. So now we're going to move on to the 4th and final deal. Okay, so we're going to pick up the Revlon Superest Lustrous Lipstick, because this is the only deal, honestly, that's giving us a lot back, right? And then, so basically to spend $15, get a $5 register reward. And when you buy 2 this week, you get 1 free. So we're picking up 2 of them for $8.79. One of them is going to be free. We're going to pick up one of the Garnier Clean Wipes for $6.29 and one of the Garnier Clean Wipes for $3.14 because they're buy one, get one 50% off. So the total before coupons is going to be $27.01. We're going to roll 2 of the $8 Revlon Catalina coupons. So 2 of these right here, right? And we're going to use 1 of the $2 Garnier Wipes coupon from our 3-1 RMN. Remember, guys, this coupon is a limit of 1, so we can only use 1, right? So after the manufacturer coupons, it works out to $9.01. We're going to use a $5 register reward as well as a $4 register reward, making our out-of-pocket 1 cent. So let's say you're only getting back 7,000 points. You get back the $8 Revlon Catalina coupon. You get back the $5 register reward for the Revlon for spend 15, get 5. You get back 7,000 points for the beauty perk. So you get back $8, the $8 coupon for the Revlon, and $12 in points and register rewards. So far, all 4 scenarios, right? If you're only getting back 7,000 points, let's say it's only the digital that you're getting back, you're still winning because our out-of-pocket is low and you're getting back 7,000 points. So let's say you get back 14,000 points. You're going to get back that $8 Revlon Catalina. You're going to get back a $5 register reward for the Revlon. You're going to get back 14,000 points for the beauty perk, as well as a digital coupon. So that's $8 for the Revlon Catalina coupon. You get that plus $19 in points and register rewards. So these are super easy scenarios that you guys can follow. There's way more to do. But I will post that in the video that I actually do. So I have different scenarios that are going to go on for my beauty event haul. So make sure you check out the haul video. I'm going to do a couple of scenarios for you guys. As you saw in my last video, I did end with a couple great register rewards and only one of these right here from the Kiss Balm that I picked up. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the beauty event video. Bye.